Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes. Welcome to my Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial and cover is a classic song written by a legendary artist. The song's called Knockin' on Heaven's Door. That legendary artist, his name is Bob Dylan. Knockin' on Heaven's Door was the title track to the 1973 film Pat Garrett and Billy the Kid. It peaked at number 12 on the Billboard Hot 100. Let's take a couple minutes now and look at the chords and the chord progression to this classic hit. Okay, there are four very easy chords in this particular song that I use. Let's have a look at them now. First chord is a G major. I use a D chord. I use a C add 9. And then there's an A minor chord. That's it, those four chords. Let's have a look again. G major, a D chord, a C add 9, and an A minor. Let's take a couple minutes now and look at the chord progression and a little bit of strumming to this great song. Okay, this beautiful song has a very nice, easy strum to it. It's a bit of a ballad, of course. Starts on the G major chord. Let's have a look. G major. That's it, really. G major to the D chord, to the A minor, G major again, to the D chord, and then to the C add 9. Mama, take this badge off of me. I can't use it anymore. It's getting dark, too dark to see. Feel like I'm knocking on heaven's door. That's it. It's a beautiful song, four chords, same strumming pattern through the entire song. Okay, you know the routine. We're going to mic it up now. I'm going to call on a great backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. Practice that a few times and be ready to join me. Mama, take this badge off me. I can't use it anymore. It's getting dark, too dark to see. Feel like I'm knocking on heaven's door. 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 Mama, put my guns to the ground. I can't shoot them anymore. The cold black clouds coming down. Feel like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door. knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. There you have it, Knocking on Heaven's Door, written and performed by the legendary Bob Dylan. If you're a solo acoustic artist or just learning to play guitar, this is definitely a must-learn song. Everybody knows it. It's a great song to have in your repertoire. Thanks for tuning in to My Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button. I do truly appreciate it. Till the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.